Let's style this two-piece black jumpsuit together. I wear a size RLL and they both fit perfectly. I'll leave the link in the description box below.
Let's go back to the time when your nigga used to trip by the time we spent growing with your friends. It was all friendly on my end, even though I look forward to seeing you again.
Hey guys, it's me, P, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a get ready with P. I have 3 potential looks. I'm feeling to go orange and black. So I'm going to do a basic to a more risky lookbook for you guys. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Let's take a moment to appreciate my booty cheeks. Okay, this is her on. She fits so good, so I'd recommend getting your exact size. No need to size up or down. But let me take a moment to show you all the stuff in the back. Guys, I have a huge pretty little figure haul for you. I have so many items, but I'm only releasing the video once we get to 1k subscribers. So make sure you subscribe and you give this video a like, because I'm seeing most of you guys are not liking the video. I can come off this platform, okay? But yeah, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and you share this video to any of your friends who you think would be interested in watching my videos. Let's get to 1k subs before the end of the month. I know that's crazy, but you know, let's be ambitious. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna style this jumpsuit first with my orange and black trainers. We call it trainers in the UK, but I'm gonna say sneakers for you guys, because I know mostly Americans watch my videos. So yeah, my orange and black sneakers. Let me go put that on real quick. Yeah, these will do. These look real cute and they're so comfortable. I'm gonna pair it with my black denim jacket I use for everything. This black denim jacket, it comes in clutch. It's always there when I need it and it's perfect. So I'm gonna throw it over my shoulder just to give it some zhuzh, you see? And now we're getting somewhere. The jacket just brings this outfit a little bit together. It's giving very simple, basic, but this is just the first outfit I'm thinking of pairing these shoes with. Now I'm gonna grab my orange Telfar side bag and pair it with this look, because I think the orange goes well with the shoes. I think this is coming together nicely. I'm going for a chill errand look. To finalize this whole look, I think I'm gonna grab this beanie. The beanie is just gonna make it look even more casual, you know, and that's the look I'm going for. So yeah, let's have a look at these two together. Okay, so for outfit number 2, I'm still going to stay with these same sneakers because I have a jacket that I think will go perfectly with these shoes. I have this jacket from ASOS, I believe. It's so warm and it's just so cute. Let me put it on and show you guys what I mean. So yeah, this is her on. Look how she matches with the shoes perfectly. Yeah, I think this is just a look. I think this is cute. So now, obviously, to put it all together, I'm gonna get my purse. I'm not gonna really do orange because I feel like there's a little bit too much orange. So I'm gonna just get a simple black purse and call it a day. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this bag. Okay, so this bag is my YSL puffer bag. And I think this is just the look. This is put everything together into perspective. So let's move on to our third and last outfit, which is the more risky one. So I decided to change my shoes. I do like the orange and black, but I want to switch it up because I have another orange and black pair, but it has also green and yellow in it, and I think maybe red. So let's put those on real quick and I'm gonna come back with the shoes situated. So as I mentioned before, I was just changing my sneakers and I'm gonna keep everything else. So the jacket I think works well with the orange in the shoes. The orange has to match. When it comes to colors, if the shades don't match, it don't look cute. So make sure they match. But yeah, let's have a look at it in the mirror. I think this is looking good. So now I want to bring back some of the colors that are in the shoes by putting I think a green purse. Yeah, so let me go put that on. Oh, I'm eating. Do you guys see the vision? Yes, the green is just bringing back the shoes to life. Like, I want my main focus to be the shoes, but I want everywhere else to make sense, you know? So I remember I was looking through my inventory and I found these green shades. I'm gonna put those on now and we're gonna bring this baddie of a look to life. Nobody can tell me that this isn't a look. This is probably one of my most riskiest looks ever. I don't really wear color. My favorite color to wear is black, but doing all of this, I'm surprised I put this together. And orange is my baby's favorite color, so I really wanted to spruce up my outfit with the color orange. But yeah, leave in the comments if you think I ate with this outfit. If you want to see more videos like this, leave that in the comments, and maybe leave a color suggestion for me to do next, because I really like this series. I might just do a whole series of this. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video more than subscribing. I want to push up the likes because you guys are not liking the video. If you don't like it, then tell me in the comments why you don't like it, you know. But yeah, comment and subscribe. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll drop the haul of these looks in the back. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.